Have an IAB address book file from IncrediMail you need to access. These contain contact lists from the discontinued IncrediMail email client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these IncrediMail address book files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective IAB file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An IAB file stores contact information for the IncrediMail email client. Users typically encounter this file when trying to migrate contacts from an old computer or recover their address book after IncrediMail was discontinued. The primary user intent is data recovery and importation into modern email clients like Outlook or Gmail. The IAB file is a proprietary binary database format. It was designed for rapid, efficient access and storage of contact details, including names, email addresses, and phone numbers within the IncrediMail application. Its structure is not human-readable and requires specific software or conversion tools to parse its contents effectively. For comprehensive file management, IAB relies on IncrediMail, developed by IncrediMail. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows provides limited visibility, so interpreting the message requires compatible email tools. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the IAB file and choose Open With. Use IncrediMail first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn IAB files. If your IAB file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent IAB problem. First, opening in IncrediMail. Install IncrediMail from archive sources on a compatible Windows version. Launch IncrediMail and access the address book through Tools then Address Book, or use File then Import Address Book to load the IAB file. The application displays contacts with full editing capabilities for managing email correspondence. Next, converting to standard format. Use IncrediMail's export function within the address book to convert IAB to CSV or vCard VCF format. The export creates standardized files importable into modern email clients like Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, or web-based services like Gmail and Outlook.com for ongoing contact management without IncrediMail. Finally, using migration tools. Use third-party migration tools like SysTools, IncrediMail Converter, or Stellar Converter for IncrediMail to convert IAB files directly to PST, CSV, or VCF format. These utilities work without requiring IncrediMail installation, supporting recovery of contacts from old IncrediMail backups for migration to current email clients and contact management systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.